Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make the sari tassels. Here I've already done for one sari, the sari tassels. This sari tassel is done by removing the silk thread from the sari, and it is continued in such a way. Some we do it in other way by using crochet and all, but this is the other way. This one is the first, the basic way by making it from the sari threads. Okay, here I have done. Now I'll show it in the other sari in which way we have to do. See, here I have already done the half of the sari. Half, I mean half means a bit part I have done it over here. Here I had already removed the threads. This you can find the green threads over here, isn't it? This is the silk thread which has been already removed. Of so much of the part has been removed, and here I have got those of the silk threads, and these silk threads will be used to make this kind of at the end, the whatever the kuch what we find, that we will make by using these threads. Okay, now we'll start doing this. I'll show right now, so please watch clearly. Okay. Here I have already uh, see, now here I am taking a part by part, then I'm putting a knot over here. Here I've already done over here, isn't it? In this way I'll teach you now. Here we have to put a knot first. So little bit apply water to your hand. Here I am applying the water to my hand so that it will give a good grip to our hand. I am putting the knot over here. Okay. So if you want, if you are a beginner, if you are not able to put a knot properly, you can use a crochet needle so that you can pull the thread out over here in this way. Okay. So you have to put a knot at the end as possible in such a way. Okay. Now I am putting for one more. In this way, I have to put the knot as the end as possible, as it will be the beginning, isn't it? Now we are already put. Now I'll show the next part how to do. See, you have to divide each of these pairs into two. Okay, into two in this way. You have to divide this into two, and then, and as soon as you divide these into two, you have to take the half part of this. Okay, and then you have to join this, and you have to put one more knot in this too, in such a way. Okay, you have to put a knot. It is a bit complicated when you are doing, be careful. So you will put the knot at overhead. Yeah, we find this knot, and now again the leftover part of this and half part of this. Again the combination starts. Again you have to put a knot in this way. Again you have to put one more knot over here. Okay, and then this way here will end up. After you do this, again you have to pair which the next line, that is this part and this part, half of this, take the half of the thread and then put again the knot. The same process will be repeating again and again. I hope so you might have understood this. So in this way you have to put the tassels one after the other, and for this and for this again the process repeats. Now I'll teach you how to put these kind of threads. Okay, first I had already told you that I had kept some of these threads by removing this, isn't it? So you have to require to pull from this first loop over here. From this loop you are required to pull this out in such a way. Then you are required to keep this here, and then cut it. See the length through which how much you actually want. Okay, and then cut through this. See, now I'm going to roll the golden thread, okay, around this over here. Keep this tightly in this way, and then roll the thread this way. Okay, and then after this, you are required to put the knot this way over here. So at the end of this, you'll get a final finishing, and then cut the golden thread. Okay, and repeat the process again over here. Now I'm following the second one. I had already cut it over here, and again I'm going to put the knot with the help of the golden thread. In this way, go on continuing and follow the same step and repeat it again and again. I hope so. Thank you.